Hey everyone, today I'm so excited to share with you my latest product with Bjorem Speech Publications, the What Sound deck. Let's dive right in and see what's inside. All right, let's open up the box and see what it's all about. Here's a closer look. So I've already been using these cards with my clients, and you could tell it's been worn out, but I definitely use it. So here we have the What Sound insert, which gives you a quick overview of how to use the product. And so let's take a look inside of that. So we have the instructions. We have all the different categories and the words that we use. So here are all the categories, and they're all color coded, which is really cool. And there's different ways you can use the categories. There's more than, basically more than these categories. We have people, things that fly, non-living things, things that go around. So it's so flexible. And then it tells you how to use the cards, and different tips and strategies. So here's how the card looks. These cards are large and colorful. They're perfect for getting your child's attention. So each card comes with a QR code on the back so you can hear the sound. And then on the front, there's like vibrant pictures that are clear. So we love, kids love to hear the sound and then imitate the sound. So I'm gonna show you how this works. So this is the chicken sound, and it has like the actual sound written, buck, buck, buck. And then, so let me show you. So you can use your iPad. Okay. And here it is. Yeah, and kids have a blast. I've been using them in all my sessions, and my sessions with students and in the clinic, and kids are laughing. They can't believe it's like they can hear the sound. Like, wait, how is this working? So they start like touching the card. Every time they touch the card, I turn on the sound, and then we imitate the sound. You can work on sentences. You could say, I hear monkey, or I hear, or guess the sound, or listen, I hear this. So there's different ways you can do it. You can start out very basic by just imitating the sound, or you can even just have them guess what the sound is. I have another video that talks about different ways you can use the cards. And there you have it. That's everything you'll find inside the What Sound box. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more ways to learn how to use the deck.